right, so we got 1 hour. We got TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Sierra, as well as a Ross. This is a perfect little location. I'm gonna give myself 1 hour to do some shopping, but I think I'm gonna start with going to Sierra first. I've only been in the store once before, just kind of browsing, seeing what we had. So let's go find some stuff. Starting off here, we have North Face. I don't typically scan these because they issue AP complaints. However, other sellers have had no problem. The second jacket was from Spider. Also heard those issue IP complaints, so I didn't bother scanning. Here we have this Columbia vest. Unfortunately, this does not actually pull up. And then I'm just gonna continue down looking for jackets that will actually produce a profit, or scan for that matter. Now here I have this little Columbia snowsuit. This is a size 18 to 24 months. I did actually get one of these the other day, and I did sell this for $100. It was size 6 to 12. So I know these sell and there was nobody on the listing, so I'm gonna pick this one up. Here in the sea of blue jackets, I ended up finding one Under Armour jacket that actually sold for $59.99. I did actually pick two of these up and they both have sold. Just walked out of Sierra here. I ended up spending $350. I really need to double check the receipts because I don't honestly know if I got charged for everything. If I didn't, I probably should do the right thing and go back in and pay for it. But at the same time, it's gonna make my profits insanely more. So we'll see what happens. I'm gonna check these when I get to the car real quick. I guess we're gonna go ahead and give Shoe Carnival a try too, looking for clearance items, clearance shoes. Let's see what we can find. Here I have these Nike Air Maxes. They were $50. I found two pairs and I bought them both. They both have sold, although the one is getting returned because we know Nike doesn't fit very well. Here we have some Nike Air Maxes, but these don't actually pull up a listing, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pass. Move on to these New Balances, and there's about 8 different sellers at $88, which is the lowest price. You know, even at that price, I'm still making about $25, $22, so I'm gonna pick those up. I'm not approved to sell Sperry, but if I was, these would have been great pickups here. You know, some of these actually did have very good listings. I have these New Balance here. They ring up for about $90, so I'm gonna go ahead and snag 2 of these. I'm buying these for $35, so I'm looking to make almost $35. It's nearly 100% ROI on this. right, so here I have all the jackets that I picked up from Sierra, the Columbia snowsuits, and then we're gonna go branch down into the shoes. I have all the shoes listed from Shoe Carnival there that I picked up. You'll notice here at the bottom I have 14 total SKUs, which is 17 different items, 183,000 in sales rank. Ended up spending $623.08, which a total net profit of $490.38. Therefore, I'm looking at an ROI of 79%, which is pretty good.